Howdy friends, freaks and weirdos, welcome back to my crusty little workshop. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what I'm working on. I am in like research and development mode right now, trying to figure some things out because it's not like there's an instruction manual for this weird stuff that I want to do. Okay, so check it out. So that's the platform for my next centerpiece. You can see I've started my steel moon. Now in there is a LED RG&B. So it's got red, green, and blue, 3 different circuits. Right now I've got all 3 of those circuits tied together, hooked into a transformer right there. Now underneath there is one of those little switchy thingies like what's on your alarm for your house. So I've got these little magnets here. So the plan is to be able to control the lights without using any switch knobs or dials, just by using these little magnets or some steel pieces. Could be pyramids, circles, squares, it really doesn't matter, to activate the lights and adjust the color to whatever you want, and adjust the brightness to whatever you want. So research and development mode, I will let you know how it goes. Stay cool, be weird, do whatever the hell you want.